What's up, people? Today we are going to take a look at this tiny wireless microphone system from Hollyland. This is their Lark M2 wireless microphone system, and it contains a bunch of little goodies. Check this microphone, it's little as a coin. So let's check out what's in the box. Looking for affordable Windows or Office keys? Look no further, I got you covered. Head over to scdkey.com, pick your Windows edition, use my discount code LE25 to get a 25% on any Windows or Office products. Once you complete your order, after a few seconds you will receive your code. In Windows, go to Settings, there should be an Activate Windows prompt at the bottom. Click that, enter your code and wait for Windows to finish activation. To check the activation status, use the command prompt with the command slmgr.vbs/xpr and you should receive a notification that the machine is permanently activated. Once again, use code LE25 at scdkey.com. So this here is the combo version of the mic system, and it contains a few extras. First of all, you will be greeted with a card and some stickers, these stickers, which we will get to later. Then we have a case with two mics, which are button sized, by the way, small as a coin, and one receiver that goes obviously on the camera. And here are some extras you don't get with other mic systems. You have USB-C and Lightning receivers as well, so this gives you the option to use this mic kit with your mobile phone in case you are a creator that shoots, for TikTok or Instagram Reels and such, but primarily uses a phone for doing what he or she does. Then this is an amazing feature to have for better audio. The next item or items in the bag are, well, the bag itself, USB-C cable for charging the case and mics, and 3.5mm camera cable, magnetic clips and two magnetic necklaces. And you also get a windscreen muffs as well, these tiny fluffy fur things. You put this on a microphone like this and then you stick mic on your clothes like this. So if wind blows, it will not pick that wind sound. Mics and the camera receiver are in the charging case, which itself provides charging as well. It can charge the mics to full in about 1.5 hours and they can work continuously up to 10 hours each. Plus, the case can provide two full chargers on its own. Technically, you are looking at some 40 hours of battery life from one full charge. Other than that, the receiver for the camera is small, has a clip on the other side, so you can mount it on a hot shoe on your camera. It goes here on the top of your camera, and you also run a 3.5 cable out of it to the camera directly. On the receiver itself, there is only a dial with 3 levels of volume and 2 buttons. One is the power button and the other one is mono stereo switch button, so you can record in either mono or stereo. The same button while long press is used for pairing with transmitters, the microphones, but they are paired from the factory, so no need for that all. You just pull them out of this case and you're ready to record. You can also charge the receiver via the USB port regardless of the case itself. So regarding the transmitters or the microphones themselves, they are magnetic, so no need for your clip on the neck. This, you have the clip in the package, you can clip this here, but you can do this magnetically like this, just pop it there and you're ready to go. I honestly find the magnetic thingy much more pleasant and cleaner to use. Also, look how strong the magnets are. Mics have no USB ports on them, only one yellow little button, and that is it. Press it once, it will activate noise cancellation mode, it will light green so it can reject background noises and isolate your voice. I have found that this option does do its job, but it does thin the voice a bit, like it reduces the quality of the sound so it can isolate your voice. This is great for crowded places. It's better to have your voice isolated rather than hearing all that mumbo-jumbo noise at once. Speaking of sound quality, mics are 16-bit in depth and they record at 48 kHz sampling rate, and they do not have any onboard memory for separate recording on their own. That is reserved for higher tier models like the Lark Max model, for example. These ones are really made for that simplicity of use without any screens nor bunch of buttons. It focuses directly on sound quality and ease of use. Since I mentioned that this is a combo pack, it comes with 2 extra receivers made especially for mobile phone usage. One is for the older iPhones, this is the one with the Lightning port, and the other is with the USB-C made for newer iPhone or Android phones. So if you plug this into your phone, it uses the phone as a power source, so no battery charging is needed for them since it has no battery. You can install the Lark Sound app and enable some features there, like the speaker play, so if you record something and you want to play it back, you do not have to pull this out, you can hear the sound from your phone directly. Also, if you plug this to a USB-C port, you will still have one USB-C port coming out of it, so you can charge your phone or something like that. In the Lark Sound app, you can see the battery percentage for each microphone, and you can also enable noise cancellation and set mic volume as well. One neat feature for mobile users is the double click on a mic itself. You just double click this little button here and you start or stop recording. This is literally everything wireless in that case with your recording. Regarding extras that comes with the wireless mic system, these stickers are for the win, honestly. These are not just some stickers. You see, I managed to make this one look completely black and this one with this cool sticker to be more, I don't know, it's more in your face, but this one is inconspicuous. The magnetic necklace thing is also cool, so you can wear the mic like this. I mean, you put it on a necklace and you wear it like this. If you also need to wear the wind fluffy thingy on it, you can do that too. So here is the best part that I like about this microphone system, the price. It is so affordable for such device that it looks like a steal compared to systems from Rode, DJI or Godox, which I happen to have here, and while Godox, for example, costs more, audio quality is nowhere near the Lark M2 system. So if you decide to have it all and go for the combo version, you need to spend about $170, 159 for the camera only variant and 139 for USB-C version or 149 for the lightning only version. Simplicity and ease of use paired with great sound quality and also range at which you can go. Hollyland claims you can go up to 300 meters or 1000 feet away from the receiver. It's something that stands out and is worth your money. I know for a fact that I will use this mic set from now on in my videos since it offers great sound quality and hassle-free installation, as for my regular videos I need to run a cable around the room here and put it above me, I mean boom the mic down, so this makes my job 10 times easier since I can go here and still sound exactly the same. With the boom mic I do not sound the same because I need to be close to it. So let me know, have you tried any of these wireless microphone systems or do you plan to? Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!